In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted contacts on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you previously deleted any contracts. It could be earlier today or a week ago or even a month ago, anything like that. And you want to go ahead and restore them because you don't remember their number and you might need to get in contact with someone. It's very easy to do, but you don't want to go into your contact settings. What you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. So in this instance, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Once you're here, all you want to do is go to search and then type in Google Contacts like so. Then you're going to see contacts.google.com as one of the options. Just make sure you're on your main Google account and you're signed in. Then just go to Google Contacts. From here, you can either use the application because there is a contacts app, or you can stay on the web. Now you're going to see all the different contacts that have been previously saved and backed up to your Google account. And from here, you might find the person that you're looking for, and then you can go ahead and restore that just by pressing this little icon where it says export contacts. And then, you can put it to wherever you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.